Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, we're going to be showing you guys how to make, that's right, the original Jewtown Maxwell Street Polish, aka Jewtown Polishes. So these are the Polishes right here. As you can see, because I made a video, people like, that ain't how you make it. I didn't have the Polish. I have the Polish now, okay, these Maxwell Street Stadium Polish. Alright? And these are the bread that they use right here. As you can see, I've been using some, but I'm only going to make 4. All right, so you're going to need onions, medallion onions, and this is going to take up all 4 of them. I can guarantee you that. So I took it in liberty to slice of mine myself. There was 2 whole ones, and I have that right here as well. So these are the ones I sliced up myself, okay? This is a big little dish. So I got to cook up all those. I pickled, which I probably should have showed you guys, but I didn't have time. But I will show you another time. I pickled some serrano peppers right here. This is what they use on their sandwiches. And this is some mustard right here, like French's. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and start doing these onions. I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. You're going to need some of that as well. So I'm going to put some olive oil in here. That's what this is right here. And I'm going to put some butter in there. Probably like 2 tablespoons maybe. Like so. To the side. So I'm on medium right now. We're just gonna put our onions in there. Put your onions in there. When it's reduced, I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna wonder why you need all this onion. Alright, it's gonna take a while to do. But we're gonna put us a little salt on there. Sprinkle a little salt on there, help break down the onion. That's it. Like a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And we're going to let this start breaking down. So you're just going to keep on just flipping it over till it starts to break down. Alright guys, I'll be back in probably like 5 minutes when it starts breaking down a little bit better. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, this is how it's looking when it's breaking down. This is after 5 minutes on medium. I'm trying to cook as slow as possible. I don't want to scorch it or nothing like that, okay? So this is how it's looking. So we're trying to just saute this up. And we put another 5 minutes on it. This is what takes the longest right here, sauteing these onions. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back fam. This is 5 minutes into it. I set a timer, that's why you hear that in the background. Let me turn that off. So this, as you can see, it's starting to caramelize a little bit now. So, we're going to set that clock another time, another 5 minutes. So remember, we're going to have to put this back in the skillet after we do our Polishes, our Maxwell Polishes. Because they got to, put like some flavor on the Polish. So that's what they normally do. They cover their Polishes and hamburgers and pork chops. I'll leave a video to that. I did that one outside. I had some local Polishes then. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, this is about how I want mine to be. You can go darker if you want to, but I think mine should be just like this. So, I'll be back. I'm going to put them Polishes in here. Alright fam, I'm back. I'm just going to lay these up in here. You don't want to cook them fast, you just want to cook them nice and slow, okay? And they just flip them. You know what I'm saying? Turn this off. So we're just gonna let it go like this for a while, and I'll be back. Okay, fam, I'm just turning them as I go. You know what I'm saying? I'll turn them because you want to cook them on all sides. So I just look at it and turn them like so. And by the way, I did get mine from Costco, if you want to know where I got them from. So please watch the whole video. So you want to ask me that question, I'm letting you know already. And please share these videos out for me. Because I'm telling you, it costs me a lot of money to do these videos, whether you know it or not. So I appreciate all of you guys. So this is why I'm going to just keep on doing that till they are all the way done. But I'll show you again when they get close to be done. So it's another procedure we have to do. That means we got to put these onions on top of it. We put a little water in it, put a lid on it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, I want to say simmer, on low. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I found this, well, I ain't find nothing. I already had one of these. I just figured to put these on here. I put it on low and let it go, and then I turn it like this. Okay, that's all I did. So this is how it looks, though. You guys want to see that? Alright, so they're about ready to get the onions on them. I just want to give them a little bit more and let them go like that. Matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? Today is about ready. So I'm going to put these onions on here anyway. Just what they do now. So I don't want to hear no back talking. I'm not in a restaurant, okay? So I'm just letting you know what they do. Now they don't put a lid on it, nothing like that, but they like to cover their meat in these sauteed onions and serve them as they go. They do cook their food in advance because they got so much and have so many people. So this is what I'm doing. And I'm going to put this lid right on here. Right here. This ain't the lid to go to this. Matter of fact, this is a Hinkle. I ain't never show you guys this yet. But yeah, I got a Hinkle set for like $100 at Costco. I'll show you what I'll be cooking in that next. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Now we're going to go ahead and put these together. First thing they do is come with mustard. Alright. This is how we do mine. Then I squeeze it like that. Squeeze it like that. Squeeze it like that. Alright. Open these up. Take my Polish. And put one in there like so. Like so. Alright. I put a little bit of mustard on mine. Like so. And I come in with my onions. Yep, Maxwell Street. Polish. Jim's Original. AKA Jewtown Polishes. If you know, you know. If you don't, oh well. But I know. How about you? Alright, so that's that. Now, what they do is they come with one of these serrano peppers and they put one of these on there. Now, I am not going to bite one of these although I made them. They is super hot, fam. I tried to dial it down and everything, and it still was super hot. I mean, like pouring some of the liquid out and putting more water in it. They became hot, hot, hot. So anyway, now I'm going to show you how they make theirs. Let me get my Polish. This is the Polish. They're gonna put it on that bread. I'm gonna put it right here for now. Put my mustard like I did with all the other stuff. Like that, squeeze it. So it hit both sides. Take this, Polish, put it right there. Hit it again with a little bit more mustard. And then some onions. Just like that. Okay? And you can put pepper on it if you want to. So let me show you that up close. So Jim Original Maxwell Street Polish, aka Jewtown Polish. If you know, you know. This is VELDOGGS Kitchen all day. You know I specialize in Chicago food. So there you have it. They, oh no, this I was trying to show you what they do. They take it right here. They normally take the pepper, put it on the side like this. Then they wrap it up. Just like that. Now, it might just come in white sheet of paper or whatever, but that's what they do. Just like that, fam. You hear me? Alright. So, there you go, right there, fam. Jim Original Maxwell Polish. From my home to your home. The real deal. So, I don't want to hear you coming back at me talking about those are not how you make it. This is exactly how they make it. I'm not in their restaurant. I'm in my home. So, not saying, you know, being mean and then I'm just letting you know this is what I do. So let me show you that up close, baby. All right. That's you all day. So, if you like this video, you already know. You already know. Hit this bell right here for me. And please let people know there's somebody out here hooking up these Chicago dishes just for you. If you ain't at Chicago, guess what? You got a guy that know about Chicago. So check it out. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. God bless.